Have you ever opened your mouth to speak English and nothing came out? Your brain knew the words, your heart was racing, but your voice just disappeared. If that sounds familiar, I need you to stay right here because in the next few minutes, I am going to show you the exact 5 step method that took me and thousands of my students from painfully shy to genuinely fluent. No magic, no overnight miracle, just system that works. Fluency isn't about knowing more words, it's about fearing them less. Let's get into it. I have helped shy, nervous, self conscious English learners finally speak in job interviews, in classrooms, at dinner tables, and yes, even in front of native speakers. I know the feeling of rehearsing a sentence 10 times in your head and still being too afraid to say it loud. I have been there. So, this isn't theory. This is the roadmap I wish someone had given me. So, what is the real problem? Here is the truth nobody tells you. Shyness in English isn't a language problem, it is a confidence problem. Wearing a language costume. Most learners think I need more grammar, more vocabulary, more study. But I have met people with incredible vocabulary who still freeze, and people with basic English who chat confidently with strangers. The difference isn't knowledge, it's the mindset and practice under pressure. The goal isn't perfect English, the goal is fearless English. The 5 step method. So, what is the 5 step method? Let's break this down into 5 clear, practical steps. Grab a pen or just keep watching. I will recap everything at the end. Step number 1, kill the perfectionist voice. The shy English speaker has an inner critic that says, don't speak unless it's perfect. That voice is the enemy. Like, for example, instead of silently correcting yourself before speaking, is it he go or he goes? Wait, let me think. Just say the sentence. Mistakes are proof you are trying, not proof you are failing. Every time you catch that inner critic, say that loud. Progress, not perfection. Give yourself permission to make 3 mistakes per conversation. Literally count them as wins. Step number 2, the minute mirror method. Every day, stand in front of a mirror and talk about your day for 60 seconds in English. No script, no stopping. Like, for example, today I woke up, I made coffee, I went to work, and my boss was really busy. It feels awkward. That's the point. You are training your mouth and brain to work together without an audience judging you. The mirror is your safest stage. Master it, and any room becomes easier. Step number 3, shadow real native speech. Pick a short video clip, a podcast, a show, an interview, and repeat every sentence right after the speaker, copying their rhythm, pausing, and tone. Like, for example, watch a 10-second clip of a native speaker saying, honestly, I don't think that's a big deal. Pause, repeat it exactly 5 times, matching their music, not just words. This builds natural rhythm instead of robotic translated English. It rewires your ear, which makes real conversations easier to follow. Step number 4, the 3 second rule in real conversation. Shy speakers wait too long, overthink, and the moment passes. Give yourself a 3 second rule. If you have a thought, say something within 3 seconds, even if it's imperfect. Someone asks you, what do you think about the movie? Don't wait for the perfect sentence. Just start. I think it was interesting, but little long actually. A confident maybe beats a silent perfect. Step number 5, micro exposure challenges. Confidence is built through repeated, small, real exposure, not big leaps. Each week, take on one tiny real world English challenge. Order your coffee in English, even if you have always spoke in your native language there. Leave one voice message in English to a friend. Comment in English under a YouTube video you enjoyed. Each tiny win rewires your brain to associate English with safety, not fear. That's how shy becomes fluent. One small brave moment at a time. So let's have a quick recap. Number one, kill the perfectionist voice. Number two, the 1 minute mirror method. Number three, shadow real native speech. Number four, the 3 second rule. Number five, micro exposure challenges. Do these consistently for 30 days, and I promise the shy version of you speaking English will feel like a distant memory. If this video helped you even a little, do three things right now. Subscribe so you don't miss the next video on topic how to think in English instead of translating. See you in the next video.